I just picked up my car. I want to cry. I want to cry. Not because I'm mad, but because it's like I have never, since I've bought this car, felt my AC like this. That's my whole problem this whole time is AC. I've never felt it. So, listen to this. What? You hear it and then feel it? Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Amazing. Now I don't have to rent a car to go to New Orleans. Yes. See that? You see the sky? Ugh. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I have a concert outside tomorrow. So I am going to this place called Sam Moon. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Sam Moon, and I'm going to try and find like a rain jacket thing, poncho. It's where I found one last time. It's one of those cool ones where it's like a jacket hood and it converts and it goes like into a size of a pocket or inside the pocket, so it's like a little pouch. That's pretty cool. So that's what I'm looking for. Hope I can find it because I'm going to need it for tomorrow because I don't believe I can take umbrellas into this place. So, let's see. But I got to get gas first. I got my car back. I'm so excited. I didn't find shit there. So now I'm gonna go to Marshall's. No one has a poncho that I like. They have ponchos, but nothing that I like. I went to Marshall's and they had nothing. I think I'm gonna have to go to Walmart. Blah. But now for the next dilemma. What's for dinner? What is for dinner? It's 8 o'clock. I don't know. I hate working late. I just got out of work. I hate that. Anyway, what's for dinner? We'll find out. I'm home, and I got food because it is National Fried Chicken Day. Da-da, da-da, da-da. I got that. I feel funny because I ordered it, and I was like, can I have 2 breasts? What can I say? I'm a breast girl. But it came with like a breast and I think a drumstick, and I was like, don't want that. And then the guy was like, we're all out of this, we're out of that, we got swamped today. And I was like, because it's National Fried Chicken Day. And he's like, I didn't know that. Like, yes, that's what happened. So anyway, I'm going to eat my dinner. Then I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do something. It's Friday. Oh yeah.